Okay, I recorded this on October 25th at about a little after midnight. These are the earthquakes on the island of La Palma in the past 2 days. See how they're forming this very odd grid pattern? I've been looking at earthquakes all over the world, and I have not seen anything like this. I think yesterday there was over 800 earthquakes. I was counting today. I mean, it's just as ridiculous to me, the earthquakes, but none in a grid pattern like that. I counted though, and even just in the past 2 hours, again, it's like midnight on October 25th, 32 earthquakes.